Hey everybody, welcome back to CIY Reviews. Today I will be making some homemade almond butter. It's so simple, and if I knew that, I would have been making it. But yeah, I had some almonds. I was like, I really don't eat these peanuts like that. Hey, come over here so I can see you.
Hi. Hi, ladies and gentlemen.
Yeah, I had some extra almonds, so I was like, what can I do with it? I don't like something to go to waste. So I seen almond recipes to make almond butter, so I'm like, count me in. Almonds right here. I also have some salt to bounce it off. Almond extract. So yes, just simple and easy ingredients. So let's get started. Okay, I have a baking sheet. I have parchment paper, but you really don't need it. I'm gonna take my almonds. I'm just gonna like spread it out evenly so it can roast. Chestnuts roasting on an open fire. Alright, I have my oven on 350, and I'm just gonna let this roast for about 10 minutes, and then I'll let you see the next step, the Lord's will. Okay, I made it keep it in only 10 minutes, but time passed me by. So I was in there for 15 minutes. I smelled good. It actually smelled like roasted chicken. I made that chicken the other day, and I'm like, please don't tell me this is the smell from this pan. But I don't know if it's this or what, but me and my kids, we all say it's good. I'm like, it smells like fried. Enough for talking. I'm going to put that in there. It's kind of hot too. Okay, all of it can't fit inside, so I just going to hold that back. So I just put the ones that can't fit in there. I don't want to overcrowd it. So I'm going to put some of my salt. I'm going to put in my extract. Just put you some in there. Let's go ahead and mix that up. About a minute or so, I'm gonna take this off and push it down. It ain't ready yet. I'm starting again. Okay, I had to pause this for the next step because the thing was overheating. I let it cool off and start working. So hopefully it start working again. And I was tasting a little bit. I was like, well, I need some sugar. I'm about to put sugar in there. And I forgot the recipe calls for sugar. I got some honey. I see people try to make it a little healthy. So I'm gonna put honey, but if it ain't honey in like it's supposed to, get sugar up like it's supposed to, I'm gonna put that brown sugar in it. You feel me? Tablespoon. That's another tablespoon. Alright, I'm gonna just try to blend it up again, y'all.
A few moments later.
Okay, nobody never told me it's gonna be so difficult, y'all. I'm putting it in there and it's still not creamy though. Now it smells good. Yeah, actually even tastes good, but what I'm gonna do is put this back in here, and then it started overheating again. I thought it was heating because the almonds are too hot. That's not the issue because I had this in the refrigerator all night. It's because I think I kept churning it, trying to break it down, and it was overheating. I'm gonna try this again, put this back in there, and I'm gonna put some olive oil in it this time. Oh yeah, yesterday when y'all were looking, I put 2 caps of, I couldn't find no olive oil. I put 2 caps of canola oil. I end up using almond extract for too much now. The only person I want to ask too much of me is my Heavenly Father. And even then, he ain't asking too much. Oh! Hey everybody, this is the third day. Yes, you are right. Third day. It started overheating again. I think it's because I was kept blending. Also too, what I did is took out some. So I don't know if it was overcrowded or what, but I took out some. So I'm gonna blend it first to see if it blend without me adding anything to it. Then I'll let you know, because if I knew it was gonna be this hard, I would have never did this.
A few moments later.
Okay, after umpteen minutes, I finally did it, y'all. Oh my goodness. Okay, I had to keep putting olive oil in here little by little. They still was not doing it, and it was starting to get overheated a little bit. The only thing I'm gonna tell you to just put some olive oil from the beginning. You might need probably 3/4 cup probably. See how much creamer it look, y'all? I'm gonna put it inside here.
All that can fit in there?
I doubt it, but we're gonna see. Hey everybody, how y'all doing? Ain't no singing. So I smell so none of that. I'm about to get into it and see what it's about because I'm a little skeptical. Yeah, I have some toast that I toasted, and I'm gonna put it on. First, I want to eat it with just the almond. Then I'm gonna put it jelly on it, make it like a peanut butter jelly, which is almond jelly sandwich. I know some things are like colder better than hot. If you know my channel, you already knew that. I'm gonna put some on the toast, and then I'm gonna taste it with the jelly on as well.
Mom,
Yeah,
you sweet tooth.
I am. I'm sweet tooth. I'm sweet tooth eat almond butter. Just stops. I put the almond butter on there, so I'm gonna get to it. Tell me why it's giving peanut butter. Cause why it's stuck to the roof of my mouth. Okay, when I tasted it first with no bread, I'm like, it's definitely giving almond, especially with that extra I put in there. But I was like, probably I'll say the peanut butter, but now since I have it on the toast, I just like it better. Okay, now I'm gonna eat it with the jelly, but first I gotta get into this little piece first.
Mom, you're good at making food.
Good at making who?
You're good at making food.
Videos?
Yeah.
Oh, thank you.
I know some people don't say that.
You know I don't care what other people say. That's what God say.
And what I think, say,
Well, since you didn't like it, at the end of the day, I'm still gonna do what, I only care what God said, but since you like it, yeah. But like I said, we don't know what God say, what God think. With me, baby. Real. I care less. I can't care less what they had to kind of say or think. Or the copycatters. Alright, so I got that jelly on the other one. With half a bread on the other one. Alright, the other bread. The other bread is the one that got the almond butter. Let's go. This really is good. I said I was gonna go for the peanut butter instead of almond, but go ahead, PB and J, almond all day. Yeah, that almond butter with the jelly. I toasted it. I buttered my bread. Oh my goodness, this is good. Yeah, my daughter didn't like it, but I do. Like I said, this is the type that you actually need to make yourself with. Like eating plain by itself, I probably would prefer it in the refrigerator to get cold. It needs to be like just on toast. Like that you can, but that jelly and stuff, it like brings it out a little bit more. I like it though. That rice. A little bit more, I like it. I see a lot of recipes where I see people don't add no type of liquid. It's given what kind of blender you got. Full speed, because how it's able to crush up like that? A juicer? I had to use some liquid, the extract, oil. Come on now, overheating. They had to do it 3 days. Come on, I'm about to make another one. What would I rate this?
for real?
I got a 9. They gave me a hard time. I know what to do now, just add that, but I think I already a 10 after that, but would I replace that totally with peanut butter? I probably would, because almond is good. It's so easy. But because I don't eat peanut butter jelly all day, every day. I like it, but I don't love it. With the almond, I like it more than the peanut butter, but I don't love it. So I'll give it like a 9. Still good, y'all. Please try this recipe, but try to eliminate 3-day process. Y'all have a blessed day.
Bye.